All right, we're gonna go with another PRC classic called Chainsaw. Danny and Joe, get on out of here. And perhaps two of you would like to play. Anyone feeling brave today? Yes. Breast reduction, right?
That's your nickname too, right?
Come on up, hemorrhoids. Come on.
Woo! Breast reduction and hemorrhoids.
One more. Anyone else? Anyone feeling it?
Yeah!
Here, excellent. All right. So what's going to happen is you're going to exit just where the players did, and they're going to tell you how the game works. We'll see you in a few moments. What are your names, by the way?
I'm Sharmika.
Sharmika?
Brian.
And Brian. With a T at the end? No.
They're cooking.
Okay. No. All right. That was the most awesome sexual offering ever. Would you like some tea
at the end later?
I think I would, Brian. Makes some mystique build up. So, this game is called Chainsaw. What's going to happen is Andrea is a detective on the crime scene. And there's a lump of a body here. And she's trying to figure out what happened. And she well, actually, the next person coming in is going to try to figure out what's happening. And they're going to try to figure out this dead person's job, location, that the murder took place, and the object used to kill her. Then after that person figures it out, they're going to kill Andrea. Then the next person comes in. It's kind of like an adult version of telephone. That's when Brian's involved.
It comes back.
Right, so now to make it even better, they can't use English. They just have to use gibberish. For example, say hi in gibberish.
How do you put?
Just like that, perfect. All right, so this murdered lump of flesh here. What did this person used to do for a living?
Raccoon wrangler.
A raccoon wrangler. Awesome.
Amen.
All right, and where did this murder take place?
The pancreas of a whale.
An excellent use of the W in whale.
Oh, you said whale. I thought you said Hoyle, and I was like, it's a Jewish
All right.
place.
We'll go with it. The people want it, the people get it.
All right, the pancreas of a whale.
Yes. They don't say whale.
It's not, doesn't count. Yep.
And then
Gibberish.
finally,
Yeah.
what object was used to kill this poor person?
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper. Did I hear shoe? Toilet paper stuck to a shoe.
Got it.
There you go.
Perfect.
Let me review this for 1
All
second.
right. So the job.
The job was a raccoon wrangler. Easy. The murder took place in the pancreas of a whale.
A whale. Right.
Whale.
Get that.
And the murder weapon was toilet paper stuck to a shoe.
Easy.
I feel like
Good
I
stuff.
just achieved something by saying all of that.
And to make it even more challenging, if they're going too long, I'm going to make them just push forward, whether or not they have
Oh, what language? What's the name of the gibberish language you'd like me to speak?
it.
Gobbledygook.
Gobbledygook.
Go the old gobbledygook.
You ready? All right, Lane, bring one in.
Gobbledygook. 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 Ah.
Now go ahead and kill him. With whatever the object is.
Jibrab, Jibrab's blood. And we'll go down the line. Hear what you thought it was. We'll start with the job.
The job. Okay. there's like some Jurassic Park action going on. It's maybe.
Okay, so some kind of Jurassic Park job.
Sure.
Alright.
The claw?
It was clearly a guy who put his head in aliens' heads.
One of those.
I thought it was a alligator wrangler.
A raccoon wrangler.
All right.
I'm excited you got that.
These are some gimmies.
Too easy.
Underhand softball.
Too easy.
Okay, so that was the job. Where do you think you were? What was the location?
I think it was in the seating area of an airplane.
So close. What do you think?
Yeah, it's an airplane.
Huh.
I think it was in the men's room.
Yeah, Joe?
I thought it was in the Nostromo with the aliens. They came out of there was some sort of parasite.
What did you make of her being shot and going back down?
I did not know that's what that was. I thought you were inside of like a
Physical
organ.
theater that I
No,
am
it's very
capable
good.
of.
And Andrew, what was it?
Well, we were inside the pancreas of a whale.
Okay.
I don't know that classic pancreas object word.
These are gimmies, guys.
Yeah.
And then the object. What was the murder object?
I presume some soldiers and toilet paper, right?
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper stuck on a shoe.
All right.